Yo, what's good? I'm Kendrick. Today, I'll be walking you through some forex setups I've got my eyes on. If you value clear analysis, no indicators, you're in the right place. Let's go to the chart. What's good, YouTube? Bye, guys. Doing this, your boy. I'm Kendrick, and this is another video of me breaking down the charts. Like I said, I'll be documenting all my trades in this channel before and after. So, stay tuned and watch me break these charts on the account and trade with me as I show my setups and my strategy. So we'll be doing something different today. Today we are no longer, we are not going to break any forex charts. Today we're going to break down the crypto charts, which is BTCUSD. So as you guys know, I tend to diversify. I don't just trade only forex pairs. I also trade cryptos, and I trade gold and indexes, which is S&P 500. So when it comes to crypto, I trade only BTC and Ethereum USD. Why? Because they show nice trend. A trader can read their trend and identify if it is bullish or bearish. That's why it caught my attention. So BTC USD on the let's dive into the chart on the monthly time frame. Without explaining much, you can just see that we are bullish. That's why I like this pair, because don't need to do much to identify the trend. So on the monthly time frame, we are bullish. You can see, if I can hide on my charts, my drawings, you can see we made a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, higher low, and now a higher high. So it's a clear bullish trend on the monthly time frame and a strong bullish green candlestick. So this alone has said everything about BTC USD. This alone has said everything. We are bullish, we are looking to buy, and that's it. So I've identified the trend on the monthly time frame. Weekly time frame, I've already drawn my zones, so pardon me. I've already drawn my zones. I've done the analysis. I'm just showing you guys the breakdown of it / recap of it. So yeah, on the weekly time frame, I draw my zones. You can see, nicely drawn. And then on the daily time frame is where we go to execute. Simple as that. Like, my strategy is so simple. Anybody can learn it. It's nothing fancy, no indicators, just a clean chart and analyze. I use price action, deep price action. When I see a setup, I spot it, because my mind I have built my muscle memory to identify my edge, my setups, without any indicators or any other stuff. I keep it so simple here, and that's it. Yeah. So before we even dive into the setup, I think this is when Bitcoin was around 107,000 before we blew up to 109. I actually saw the range that we are in. They said the drawing showed back, but guys get the point. So we were in this massive range, and once we blew out of the range, once we broke out of the range, we will also replicate the size of the range outside. What I mean by that is, whenever we range, for example, this is the length of the range. Anytime we break out, we come and replicate the same length to the upside. So you know what that means? Simply means that we still have space to the upside. So that was just a nice recap I saw last week, or last 2 weeks, I think. So I just decided to share that here with you guys. So BTC USD, we are bullish. We made a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, higher low, and we made a higher high. That's the characteristics of an uptrend. Higher highs and higher lows. Identify the trend and buy into the upside. Why will I sell when the trend is bullish? On the weekly time frame, we draw our zones. I said that before. And also Fibonacci. Yes, Fibonacci was actually the main catalyst for Bitcoin. At the moment, through my analysis and through my projection, we are en route to $130,000 per coin. I kept it here because this is Fibonacci, but $130,000 is a reasonable round number. But I always stick to my rules. If Fibonacci says 121 or 124, I will always put it at 124. I do not go beyond it. But as of now, it's showing 124. but I think we're going to blow past it. So that's my projection for BTCUSD. So now that we've done the analysis, we come over to a daily time frame to formulate the setup. And I've also identified this uptrend. You can see first touch, second touch, anticipating a third touch of trend line support, and also Fibonacci, swing low to swing high, and I'll be buying to the upside. And that's the setup, as simple as that. BTCUSD, wait for a pullback, swing low, swing high, wait for a pullback here, and then buy to the upside. So that is my analysis for BTCUSD. My strategy is so simple. They don't take time, they don't take efforts. Once you learn them, it becomes part of you, it becomes second nature. So this is my analysis on BTCUSD. It's so simple and straightforward. And so you have the first touch, second touch, third touch of the trend line, it's powerful and it's trusted. So once you have that third touch, you buy to the upside. And that is that for BTCUSD. Ethereum has nothing nice to show us. I can go to Ethereum. Okay, there is actually nothing to show on Ethereum, so I'm gonna have to leave this there for another video. So guys, these are my analysis for the weeks to come. These are my analysis for the coming weeks. If you can stick with them, you see that what I'm saying is actually facts and not and you can see that what I'm saying is facts and I'm not talking out of my head. This analysis, they work 9 out of 10 times. I think I'm joking. Stick to this video and you see what I'm talking about. So yeah, guys, this is my analysis for Bitcoin. The next level target $124,000 per coin. Then after that, you might blow up to 130 because it's it's a reasonable round number. And yeah, you guys know I'll be dropping more analysis video like this, so stay tuned up. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Alright guys, that's it for today's section. So I'll keep on dropping setups like this, so stay connected. And if you're an investor looking to grow your capital steadily and safely, feel free to reach out. I'm open. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Peace.